Right, iPhone 3G updated to 4.2.1 and it's getting an error 1015. This is because the iPad baseband's installed, so we need to downgrade that before it will allow us to update it. This is what you end up with on the phone. It'll get all the way through the restore and then right at the end it'll say error 1015 and then get to that. So if you have that error, this is what you need to do. So I'll just shut iTunes down. You need Red Snow 914 Beta 2, I think it is, that works best with iPhone 3G. So we're going to select jailbreak. Can you just hold that for me son and keep recording? Quiet, Daz.
Just wait. I'm gonna stop playing. Come on, Dad.
Alright, I'm going to have to select which software version it is. So, select IPSW, one level, iPhone 3G. Oh, sorry. iPhone 3G. 4.2.1. Okay. Back. Jailbreak.
Processing. Rand mix.
Zachary. Zachary, can you come out of the way?
Okay. Preferring my mix.
Right, so here we'll downgrade the baseband.
Okay.
We don't need to install Cydia. We don't need to do that. We're not doing it really to install Cydia, we're just doing it to get rid of that problem with
Who are you
iTunes.
talking to?
To the video. I'm going to put it on YouTube.
I'll go and tell them.
Alright darling, well done.
Do you think people will watch it?
Yeah.
No.
Lots of people will have this problem.
Hey, I want to get these plates again. Where's my one?
Zachary.
Oh.
Come out of the way.
Fixing baseband fail, please be patient. Please wait while your build is being processed. It takes ages. So be patient.
That's exactly right, Zachary, be patient, yeah. Here we go.
When it goes click click, it will do it for you. When it goes click click, it will do it for you.
Look, Zachary, here's the phone.
Oh, come on, guys. What's it doing? Why does it keep changing? Whoa!
So now that's saying done, so on your phone you'll have all this going on here. And it'll take a little while to do. It'll go from this screen then onto one with like a pineapple on it, and that's when it's going to sort the iPad baseband out.
Pineapple running and it's got someone eaten.
That's it. And then once you get to that screen, basically you should be good to go. Once it's all complete, if you try to do the update again through iTunes,
That one.
there's a pineapple.
That's a pineapple.
You should be fine. It's just the baseband that causes a problem.
It needs to load.
So if you need an unlock, you wouldn't do the update through iTunes, you'd do it through
How long is it taking?
Snowbreeze,
5 minutes.
and you can actually set Snowbreeze to update the phone without actually updating the baseband, because the baseband I've downgraded it to now is actually an unlockable one if you jailbreak the phone.
Snowbreeze is
So-
Christmassy.
Oh, That's it. Cheers.
But I already read with this page.